Welcome to our daily Forex market analysis, and this is for trading on November the 18th, 2020. Just a quick disclaimer here before we get started. This is for educational purposes only. Trading is a risky business, so please be careful with your money. As usual, we'll start off by taking a look at our calendar here. So in terms of the news that we have coming up on Wednesday, we have CPI numbers here for British pound and also for euro and Canadian dollar. So a lot of CPI numbers here. At this point, the CPI numbers, we're not really expecting a big jump in them. As long as they stay stable, I think we shouldn't see a big impact on the market. Right now, the impact or the things that will be impacting the market currently will be more to do with the central banks and also with the lockdowns and the number of virus cases. So we are seeing there are more lockdowns coming, and this seems to be across the board here. So we are seeing more lockdowns or more stringent I should say, precautions that we are seeing around the world. So we'll keep an eye on that for now. So what else? So other than that, we have employment numbers here from Australia. So that is it. Okay, so let's go on to our charts right now. We'll take a look at we'll start off with euro dollar as usual. Here we see yesterday we were looking for price to go up. Now we do see the price went up. However, it is into resistance here. It's starting to come into these levels of resistance. We saw that price actually bounced off of this resistance level here. So right now there's still that a bit of an uptrend here, but the rejection here shows that we may start to see a turning here. Now that price is going back into that resistance level, I will look for a retest here. And then if it doesn't go through that, we're looking for price to move back down here. So right now, neutral to bearish bias here for euro dollar. Pound dollar here, this one is looking bullish. We saw some positive comments here in regards to agreement being reached for Brexit, and that was positive for British pound. So we have a bullish candle close here, looking for a further move to the upside towards 1.3300. And if it goes through that, we could see a move higher. But this is an important support resistance level. So if it doesn't go through, we could see a bit of a double top type of scenario here, and then a drop. So the important thing will be, can it go through the 133 level? If it doesn't, then we're looking for a move back down. So neutral to bullish bias here, looking for 133. Only if it holds on the other side, we'll be looking for 134. But until then, we may just get a drop from the resistance level at 133. So watch out for that. So for now, bullish bias for pound dollar. Aussie here. Aussie, we see a bit of a double top scenario here. We see price went into this resistance here, and it seems to be bouncing off of that level now. So we have a bearish candle close, and because the price is bouncing from the resistance, we're likely to see a drop from here. So bearish bias in this case, looking for price to come back into the support level here. It's been trading in this range for the last couple of weeks, so looking for a move back down here towards 0.7220. So Aussie dollar is looking bearish at the moment. New Zealand dollar here, this one as well is struggling here. It is still holding towards the top of the range, but the candle close there is not very strong. And we are seeing in terms of the volume as well, it seems to be going down here. So for now, bias here is neutral to bearish. We may get a retest of the high here again. And if it doesn't hold, if it holds, if it doesn't go through, then we're looking for a drop back down towards the base of this range here. So this is the range price has been trading in. So I would look for a move back towards the support level here. So neutral to bearish bias for New Zealand dollar. Dollar CAD here, this one we can see price price kind of bounced off of the support level here. So today we do have a bullish candle close. It's not bullish engulfing, but it's still holding here above the support level at 1.3050. So if it continues to hold, basically looking for price to go higher into 1.3175. So a neutral to bullish bias for dollar CAD. Looking at our commodities here, silver, as we can see, price is struggling here. Couldn't go through the resistance, and now I'm looking for a move back down towards 23.50. So neutral bias here for silver. Gold here, same thing. Price has been going sideways here. It's stuck in the sideways range. And today we have a bearish candle close, so bias is bearish. Looking for it to come and retest the support into 1850. So gold is looking bearish here. Oil here, today's candle close is completely neutral. It is stuck in a sideways range again. So neutral bias here, I will look for a move between the resistance and support levels here. So we may see a retest, and if it fails, then we're looking for a drop here. Right now, bias is neutral for oil. Copper here, copper did drop, but it hasn't really given us a good solid candle close at this moment. So at this point, this is sideways. It's still holding above this resistance level. So right now, neutral bias here. If it holds above 3.13, then we're looking for a move back towards 3.20, neutral bias. Bitcoin here, Bitcoin looking very, very strong at the moment. And it is back into those resistance levels that we haven't seen in quite some time. So still looking bullish here. And next target here is 18,000, and then above that we've got all the way into 19,000. So bullish bias for Bitcoin here as well. Stock market here, stock market not looking that great, and this is to be expected with the number of virus cases going through the roof, and we are seeing a lot of shutdowns, either partial or some places have more stringent requirements. So this is looking bearish here, looking for price to come back towards the support level, towards the bottom of the range here. So 35.20 is the target for S&P 500. So bearish bias here. Nasdaq here, this is looking bearish as well. We have a bearish candle close, not a very strong one, but bearish nonetheless. So first target is 11,800 and then 11,600. So bearish bias for Nasdaq here. Dow Jones here, this one is looking bearish as well. Again, not a very strong bearish candle, but we're looking for a move back towards the bottom of the range. Overall, this is still neutral. It's trading sideways. The neutral to bearish bias here. Target is 28,850. And then DAX, we're seeing the same behavior here as well. Price has been stuck in this range. We may see a drop towards 12,920. So bias here for DAX is neutral. Footsie here, Footsie seems to be backing off of the resistance level here. So looking for a move back down for Footsie as well. In terms of our targets here, the first target is 62.65 and then 62.20. So bias here is bearish for Footsie as well. And then we have Nikkei. Nikkei hasn't really done a whole lot. Very, very small candle close. We have seen a sharp increase here in Nikkei, but right now it's holding sideways here. So we may see a drop. It is into support. If it doesn't go through it, we could see another leg higher. So it could very well do a drop and then a further move higher. Question would be, can it hold here above 25,650? If it holds above, then this is likely to go higher. But if you see a drop through here, then we are looking for these lower levels here for Footsie. So right now, bias is neutral. All right, so that's it for today. You guys have a wonderful trading day, and I'll be back again tomorrow. Bye for now.